This repair video for the P0139 error code is specifically tailored for Mazda RX-8 drivers. If your Mazda RX-8 is showing up P0139 code, this is for you. This means the oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter on bank 1 is not changing its voltage signal fast enough when the air-fuel combination changes. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, catalytic converter issues. Other potential causes. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Wash the catalytic converter. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then take a bucket and put some water and detergent in it. Put the catalytic converter into the solution and soak it for 10 to 12 hours to remove all the crud inside it. Now you see it looks clear and neat. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda RX-8, Honda CR-V, and others. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.